Hi everyone, sorry. We are listening to this story today for your asynchronous work. You're going to be listening to a story called Sylvester and the Magic Pebble. Now in this story we have a donkey. His name is Sylvester, and he finds a magic pebble that will do anything he asks it to while he's holding it. Now what happens is he gets scared and he accidentally turns himself into a rock. And he's stuck as a rock for a long time because he can't hold this pebble in his hand if he's a rock. It goes like all things, and in the end, I don't want to spoil it, but it is a great story. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to listen to this story, and then I want you to be able to go retell the story to somebody else, kind of like I just did, where you say at least 2 character names, including the main character, Sylvester, and you tell what happened at the beginning, the middle, and the end of that story. After you're finished, I want you to do your word of the day. So the word of the day today is like. My turn. The word is like. Your turn. What's the word? Good. Let's spell like. Very good. L-I-K-E. What's the word? Like. Fantastic. So choose one of your choice board options for your sight word. You can either write the word like 5 times on your whiteboard, or you can write it in color. That's always fun. You could do your pyramid writing, or you could do rhyme times. Words that rhyme with like have the same ending sound, like bike, or trike, or spike. Have a great rest of your day.